How to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily after the new update. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily after the new update. Now, as you know, if you open Instagram app, you won't be able to find the option to deactivate your account anywhere. Now what you want to do, the trick here is simply head into your phone browser and search in for Instagram mobile browser login. And once you search in Instagram browser login, what you want to do is log into your account on the link and you'll get an interface like this. Now here, head into your profile, and once on profile, what you want to do is tap on the edit profile option that you can see on the screen right here. Simply tap on edit profile, and once you tap on edit profile, if you scroll down below, all the way down below, you'll get the option to temporarily deactivate my account. Now if you're having problem finding this, what you want to do is search in for Instagram login browser. As you can see on my search list, tap on it, and on the second link that you can see, login.instagram, tap on it and log into the account. Now you can, as you know, I've already logged into my account. Then head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you tap on edit profile, if you scroll all the way down below, you'll find the option to temporarily deactivate my account. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to deactivate your account from here. Select why you are deactivating your account, and once you enter your password, you'll be able to deactivate your account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.